Hey everyone, I hope that you're doing well. The time has come where I need to replace the humidifying film in my electric cigar humidor. The model that I have here is the ZIEUN 84.1 liter, which I have done a full review on. You can check that out up here. I love this unit, and these films you can now easily purchase on Amazon directly. So if you have one of these units, now you can get these replacement films no problem. Now the process is just about the same across various models and brands of electric cigar humidors, so you may have a different unit and it may require a different size of film or shape, but the process of replacing or exchanging the film is really easy, so let me flip the camera around and I'll go through the steps with you. Now, first thing we need to do is take the entire bottom shelf out where the distilled water is housed. This is where the film is also located, so you may notice some discoloration on the film itself. This is normal, so don't be alarmed, but if you were to have a heavily mildewed or molded film, you may have to check on those cigars and make sure you don't have a mold issue going on inside your humidor. Now, as long as you're using distilled water though, you really shouldn't have any major risks for that. You really want to dump out the water that is in the tank first. Here you can see I've already removed the old water and all that's left is the film, which is very easy to take out. Simply pull the film straight up and toss it in the trash. Next, you'll open the box with the new film in it and inspect it to be sure there's no significant damage to the film that could pose any issues for installing it into the housing tank. Installation is super simple. Just carefully place one edge into the side of the tank and work the middle section and other end into place, taking care not to rip or smash the sides and corners. Now, once the new film is secured in place, it's time to add fresh distilled water back into the tank. I personally like to keep the tank filled up to about 75 to 80% full. I don't want to get the tank too full, and you definitely don't want to exceed the max fill line. And once you have it filled back up to your desired level, it's just as easy as placing the shelf back into the unit and then just simply shut the door and let the unit readjust itself back to the set temperature and humidity level. So there you have it. I hope that this video has been helpful. Be sure to like and share it with any friends or other cigar aficionados, and drop me any questions or any feedback in the comment section below. And until next time, as always, may the Schwartz be with you. Take care.